make the shorts is very simple. Select the character and set the cloth type to trousers. Click on new cloth and position the points. I'm just going to place the pelvis, the hip, the knee, ankle, and click on generate trouser rig. Place the pelvis where you want the waist of the trousers to be, over here. Doesn't have to be perfect, this is fine. You can move the waist, the thigh circle over here, where the thigh should be, and the knee circle. Just make sure it doesn't cross the middle line. And the ankle circle doesn't really matter because we're going to delete that geometry. Click on generate trousers and it will make a nice pair of trousers for us. You can delete all the geometry that's not needed for these shorts since they're shorts. Press L, make sure you've selected everything, vertices. And click on bind. When you press play, the shorts will drop down onto the character like this. You can let it play to the last frame. And when it's done playing, you can go over to the design section and click on cache cloth, and that will cache the cloth simulation. You can now enable the second subdivision modifier to make them appear much smoother and neat. And yeah, there you have it, a pair of shorts simulated